Charity P, and over 60 years, and I've been in the fashion industry, guess what? Over 40 years. I'm super excited hereby introducing you to the very first Varieties fashion class 2023 for beginners and advanced students. This class is going to be different from all the other classes. Why? Because assignments will be given after each class or video. There's going to be one-on-one challenge tackling via WhatsApp and all the social media platforms. Here I have some receipts of my experience in the fashion industry. In my region, whole Ghana, there are many government universities that come to do attachment with me. Here is one of them, University of Education, Winnipeg. This is one of the industrial attachment form. I have another one from Accra Polytechnic, that is the capital city of Ghana. Yes, it's also one of requests for industrial attachment. Then I have another one here, Community Development Vocational Training. Yes, this is also an application for workplace experience industrial attachment. And all these people have done the attachment with me. I have here now the whole technical university. They also come to do attachment here in my fashion home. Then I also have University of Education, Winnipeg. Yeah, and many others. So I've trained numerous people all over, and some of them are doing great. And this is one of the reasons why I said, oh, why I'm aging, why not share your ideas with people so that you can impart them to become their own fashion designers and be making money for their families. I currently have over 60 students in the waiting room. Why not consider joining? It's going to be fun. It's going to be exciting as we learn to sew and become our own fashion designer. Remember, if you are not using it for business, you can sew your family things and it's gonna help the family. Yeah. To be part of this amazing class, please check the contact on the screen and in the description below. Join me every Sunday on YouTube, here on this channel, Varieties, at 7 p.m. Ghana time. Please stay healthy and see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.